I have Motorola Moto C Plus, and let me show you how to remove here the back cover and the battery. So basically how to accomplish the soft reset operation. It's especially useful when your device is frozen or just hangs, so it's good to force the restart on your phone. So let's start by removing the back cover. Let's find and select the cavity at the down edge of the device right here. Let's use your nail finger and let's open the whole thing step by step from the bottom of the device to the top. Here you have access to your battery. Let's remove the battery by using the cavity right here. So let me do it. Let's just use your nail finger, and now you can restart your device by removing the battery for about 5 to 10 seconds and then put it back in the exactly same way. So let's put back the battery, back cover. Let me switch on the device to make sure that everything is alright with my device. The Moto C Plus is switching on. Let's wait a few seconds. And Moto C Plus is turned on. Now you can unlock your device and start using your phone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.